What's up guys, today we're going to go over 3 of the best accessories for any beginner woodworker or maker in your shop. But before we get started, I noticed that every woodworker out there has like some massive beard, and I think it's like a rite of passage for people. So to fix that, alright, now we're ready in woodwork form. Today I'm going to go over 3 of the best accessories you can have around your wood shop as a beginner. These are not going to be tools. I think you should just get the tool for the job that you're doing every time you're making a new project, and that's how you get your different tools. These are items that will help you around the shop with everything you're doing to get going, and they helped me when I was getting going in my career here. Why are we only doing 3? Because you guys have the attention span of a squirrel! Alright, so let's go ahead, let's get started with the 3 of them. Alright, so number 1 is actually this Fat Boy pencil. These are so great, I can't even explain to you. I still use regular pencils around the shop, especially when I want a little bit pointier of an edge. But these, when they fall, they don't break. The lead is nice and thick. You can buy them in packs of like 5 or 10. I'll have this link down below. Comes with an eraser on the top that can be replaced as well. Clips really easily to any of your items. And it's just a really, really great pencil. You're marking down everything around the shop all day long. Something nice and thick like this, easy to hold. Another great thing about these, they're really easy to sharpen. You can pull the lead out. I'm only pulling a little bit here, and you can sharpen it with any pencil sharpener. Then you get a nice sharper point. Well, I didn't do the best job there. I gotta spend more time on it, but you get the idea. Easily one of my best purchases. If you're getting a gift for somebody, this is the greatest gift you can get them in a shop. They're gonna love you for it. And no, it's just a pencil, but it's very high quality. So that's number 1. All right, the next thing is kind of a tool, but not really. It's an accessory for your tool. And this changed my game in the shop. All right, so have you ever been using a drill and you're using a really small bit on it and it bends or breaks, falls on the floor, can't find it, and you had bought like one of those packs of drill bits from some company and there was like only one of those bits and now you can't drill at that certain diameter. That happened to me so many times, and it's the biggest pain ever. So, check this out. This is like a treasure box, right? Check this out. Look at this. This is great. So, this is off Amazon. I'm gonna link it down below. Just check out how many. Now the big bits, there's only a few of them, but that's fine because these really don't break often. And then, these you want to buy a little bit more expensive ones or different types. Now, the thing that I love, look, I'm gonna end up dropping all of these. Look at this. Look how many, I just dropped like a bunch of them. So many of the small drill bits. Oh my God, I made a mess. This is where the money's at. Look how tiny, right? These are the ones that break all the time. So it comes with like a whole bunch of each of those sizes and really affordable. So once you're out of all those, you just get like another box and you're set with bits for life. So best purchase, hands down, change the game in the shop, drill bits. Number 3, I'm already wearing it. A shop apron. So if you're anything like me, when you're doing glue ups and stuff, yeah, your hands get all glued up. Your hands get all glued up and you just do the, like, all over, right? Jeez. I'm making a mess. Oh my God, disgusting. So before the shop apron, you do that on your shirt and your hoodie, and that can only take so long before those shirts and hoodies are like as stale and like don't bend anymore. Shop aprons, they last forever. Glue just goes around the top and you can get a few of them. This is a really cheap one off of, again, I think this was Amazon, so I'll post it down below. My goal is to get a really nice shop apron one day because they're just like the nicest things to have in the shop. They protect your clothes, they can hold a bunch of stuff like your Fat Boy pencil right there, all right, nice and easy. And I put my tape measures, pocket knives, everything in here. This is hands down, this was, out of all the things I showed, this was the first thing I ended up getting, and it changes the game. Again, protect your clothes, look a little bit more professional. Hopefully I'll get my own branded one day. We'll get there one day. So all those are my top 3 for all you beginners out there. There's a lot more different accessories you can get. Maybe we'll do another video if you guys are interested. Comment down below if you are. All of these are linked below, as well as some of the other tools and accessories I use in my shop. Check them out. They're really helpful for you guys as beginners or even more advanced. As always, thanks again for watching. Catch you guys in the next one. Peace.